Part 2! Hey guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Kendall Olivia. This is Sophia. If you didn't watch our last video, watch it. Yeah. Today, we're making more slime. Trying, at least. So Sophia already didn't want to wait, so she started. She put shaving cream and, I don't know. Okay.
Stuck on a dirt.
Ow. That was so funny.
Stuck on a dirt. Stop.
You need to do an instant replay. That was hilarious.
I wish.
Okay. Wow, that was cool. It just blended out the metal.
Down the river too far. What about us?
So I'm gonna start out with a little bit of salt.
Salt. No, I looked something up. Salt melts soap. Couldn't find the word.
No, but only if you put a little bit in. I don't have a spoon.
Color. Watch the dirt.
See, it starts out by kind of making slime.
We're all living lies here, people. Why aren't you? I got soap in my hand.
Okay, so now I'm just gonna keep on mixing and mixing.
Just enough is enough.
Putting more
I'm
soap.
an idea. I'll be right back.
What are you getting?
A thing!
Nailed it! We like playing music in the background of our videos.
Only a little.
Well, I didn't put shaving cream in it. I would have to put. Is yours activating?
No, that's the activator.
Whoa, mine's activating. A little bit. This is probably going to poison us.
Probably. And whoever does to us for making this song there, go right ahead. It's music. Who cares? Everybody can listen to it.
I put too much borax in. Actually, no, I didn't. This is actually activating my slime a little bit. Guys, mine's turning into slime. I need more borax! Wait, we're starting a new thing. Everybody's gonna say created by me. Soap, borax, and salt in the mixture. Specifically, Dial spring water soap. And you will eventually start to make slime. She's depressed. So I made slime and she didn't. Well, mine's technically not slime yet.
Yes. It'd be a shame if something happened to it.
Sophia, do not do anything to this.
Who said I was gonna do something to it?
You belong with me, you're my sweetheart. I'm not a very good singer at all.
I was like observing it. Look at.
Here, can I see that?
Just Chinatown. I'm trying so hard.
Me too. Like, there was no actual successful videos because we looked up videos.
Because we don't have glue. Should have brought glue with you, Kendall. God,
Actually,
what
I
were you
have a
thinking?
gallon.
I'm just gonna dump the rest and then I don't care anymore.
We can make a dough. Go get flour. But guys, my slime is actually super stretchy. And super liquidous.
Smell it.
So long. We should go into a part 3.
If there's part 3, you better watch it or I will find you and kill you.
I only have 8 subscribers, so we need to turn the song down because it has a word.
That doesn't.
Can you pour some flowers in mine?
Hold on, let me mix my phone.
Flowers. Guys, comment down below if you want us to make a video of us making lunch. We'll make a video every step of our lives.
Yeah, even us getting dressed and drinking.
Yeah, no one needs to see that. Is yours making a dough? No. Can you pour some flour in mine?
Let me try it again one more time.
I think you're gonna pour some in mine, right? All of it. Thank you.
You failed. I put too much in. I don't mean to frustrate me, but I always make the same mistakes.
I feel like I'm making cookies that are not edible, by the way. No one can eat this. If you guys are like doing this with us, which thank you so much if you are, but do not eat this. Since your hands are kind of clean, can you end the video? And we'll go into part 3.
Part 3! Woo! Oh.